The PDL extension identifies a Perl Data Language script file containing scientific computing code using the PDL extension for the Perl programming language. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you run, edit, or troubleshoot these scientific computing scripts. Quick check. Before proceeding, know that a universal viewer can often read the data within the PDL archive, even if it can't fully extract it. PDL files are script files using the Perl Data Language, a numerical computing extension for Perl that provides efficient array operations, matrix mathematics, and scientific data processing. They enable MATLAB-like numerical computing within the Perl programming ecosystem. Perl PDL files use Perl syntax extended with PDL modules, providing piddle multidimensional array objects and operations including matrix algebra, FFT image processing, statistical functions, and vectorized mathematical operations for scientific computing. The PDL format has primary linkage to the Perl application by Perl Foundation. The proprietary indexing requires careful handling to avoid critical file system errors. Windows may open the script visually, but its logic runs only under the specified runtime. To guarantee success, right-click your PDL file and select Open With. If Perl is available, test it. If not, choose another application. We are looking for the software that accepts the PDL format. When a PDL file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. The specificity of the PDL format is likely what caused the error. Before we proceed, let's run through this short checklist to confirm key parameters. First, running scripts. Install Perl and the PDL module using cpan by running cpan PDL. Execute PDL scripts with perl script.pdl. The PDL module provides efficient C-backed array operations, making Perl competitive with MATLAB and NumPy for numerical computing tasks. Next, editing code. Open PDL files in any Perl-aware editor, such as Visual Studio Code with the Perl extension or Padre, the Perl IDE. Write numerical code using PDL's end array operations, including mathematical functions, linear algebra, and image processing routines. Finally, interactive computing. Use the PerlDL interactive shell for exploratory PDL computing. Type PerlDL at the command line to enter the interactive environment. Create arrays, perform calculations, and visualize data interactively similar to MATLAB's command window or IPython for Python. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.